Hey! Oh, no, don't do that. I've woken up with a weird arm injury. I know.
Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to the foggiest day ever. We're gonna do a bike ride, aren't we? All the way to a cafe.
As far as we can see, which is about as far as that Lawrence.
How many horizons are we gonna do?
How many Lawrences is it? I think it's about 30 Lawrences.
Yeah, it's not that many.
Lay down
He
flat.
is now a unit of measurement.
Yeah,
There you go.
absolutely.
There he is.
Yeah.
What?
Double Lawrence,
Double.
double Lawrence. I've got the fixed gear because one bike's got a puncture, the other bike's in my shop.
Fixed gears are cool, man.
This one's not though, it's got mud guards and a rack on it. It's my commuting bike.
Oh.
How was your Christmas?
Christmassy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I didn't get out on the ride.
Oh yeah, you were supposed to get. Were you
My bike was
hungover?
broken. No, I wasn't hungover. I've only got carbon wheels
Do you
on
want that
that
one?
bike, and I didn't have any long valve tubes.
We rode fixed gears.
Sad face. Sad face.
There's always an excuse, isn't there? Cyclists, classic.
Maybe of your generation, but not of mine.
I went on the ride.
Oh yeah.
So somehow James has ended up on the road and I'm on this separate bike path. Not really sure how that happened. We found a brilliant idea. James is gonna get a bike fit from me. We're heading over to Bicycle now. Quick stop off to pump tyres up at Sigma Sports. I've been pumping my tyres up with a tiny little mini pump because I don't have a track pump. Annoying.
What sort of bike shops closed this time of year?
Clearing up the sweet corn.
I was in here over Christmas after from Bermuda, so and I left here in a massive flap because I just wanted to get out of here.
So, mission of today. I'm going to give James a bike fit. He's going to need a hand to press the buttons and adjust the jig and that sort of thing. Basically, it's a complete pain in the ass to fit yourself, so hopefully this will streamline the process.
I'm going to cover him in these dots. I think I slept funny on my arm Christmas Eve because I've got the worst pain in this shoulder here. I can barely lift up a glass. I'm hoping it doesn't affect me too much when we do 500k in 2 days' time.
Little tiny stick, big stick.
So I think, yeah.
Know what you do?
Where's Lawrence to make you look stupider? Is this for nipple alignment?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, you got to make sure you're straight on the bike, haven't you? Did I get your nipples?
More or less, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Pec alignment.
That's why I'm a bike fitter, mate. So why are you having a bike fit?
So I preach this fit first, buy later mantra, right? So most people have fits on their bikes because it assumes, which assumes that the bike's right in the first place. I'm going to order a bike, and it's custom made. So one of the beauties of this jig is that we can take the XY coordinates, which are basically exactly where the handlebars are and exactly where the saddle is in relation to the bottom bracket. I send that off to New York, and 22 will build a bike for me.
You out of breath?
So that's the idea, really. Start with a position. So this is my existing position, and we're gonna
Tweak it slightly?
I want to experiment with taking it lower. But this is basically the position of my autumn. So I've
Done America on that.
I've ridden that bike a lot, and I don't get any issues with it. But this next bike it's going to be like a Sunday best bike. I'm not going to travel with it. It's, to be honest with you, it's something I can just put on the wall in the shop. So it's going to be pretty special.
Up, 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 up. You do 1,000 watts?
I've got enough resistance. Spinning out.
Always wanted to do this. You just twisted the back. You've adjusted your saddle height.
So what you're looking for in saddle height is, rather than terminal extension of the leg, which is what most people look for, you're looking for fluidity. So the French have this word, souplesse. It's smooth. And yeah, it's generally what you're looking for in a pedal stroke. You want it to be smooth through the bottom of the pedal stroke. What most people do when they're on saddle too high is that they get to sort of 5 o'clock in the pedal stroke and they lose control of the foot and they have to kind of snatch through the bottom, but usually they claw with their toes to try and regain control of the foot. So yeah, we're looking for smoothness, really. A good balance of muscle enlistment. Most people don't fire the glutes. Most people are quadricep dominant. Usually that's driven by a bad position. Poor interaction with the saddle can influence or heavily fire your quads.
Have you got your saddle on this now?
Yeah, Toupe 143. Actually, I'm interested to try a pro saddle. Right, let's try.
I like pro components.
I just started doing business with a company in London that recovers saddles. Those that know me know that I quite like brogues, I like shoes, so I'm gonna have a tan leather saddle with tan leather bar tape.
Vegan leather.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Looking good?
Yeah.
I'm a good bike fitter.
So this is the position you put me in.
Yeah.
This is I'm gonna have a £15,000 bike built with that position.
Yeah. Yeah. Look about how much more aero it is. Yeah, and look how much happier you are on the second one. You're smiling.
I always smile.
Why are you confused?
This hurts my knees.
It's because it's fixed gear. There's nothing else to do about
Probably
it.
is with fixed gear, and I haven't been riding my bike much, and I just ride like I've always ridden. So at 400 watts.
On the way here, we were riding up that hill in Richmond Park. We were both like, we need to start riding our bikes.
It's post Christmas for me as
Oh,
well.
God.
So
Post pizza in New York.
Christmas turkey, Christmas goose. In fact, we have both, and then this Christmas port and whiskey.
Did you finish that big bottle of Jack Daniels?
No, we've not even opened that. I don't really like Jack Daniels.
I haven't seen this bike in a long time, mate.
Yeah,
Classic.
Yeah, I took the Super Record and the borers off of it, and I've basically downgraded it all.
Oh, it's a winter bike now.
Yeah, well, it's a travelling bike. So because the thing's still light, man. You've got 1,500 grand wheels and an old Tegra group set on it. So you can still go and, so if we got a Calpay, for example, this is what I'll take. Rather than take my Autumn and trash it, which I've got a sentimental attachment to, I've got a bike that I can actually just go and ride up mountains on. It's light enough, it's stiff enough, and if it gets trashed in a case, it's not the end of the world, is it?
Delta.
Hey, Delta, fucking arseholes.
Brave the outside world again. Hey, that's a nice bike. Happy with how I performed in the bike fit today. It's 300 quid, please.
Fuck right off.
You know what?
What's that, mate?
Richmond Park is well nice.
It is nice. It's a bit chilly at the moment.
It is nicer than Central Park.
It's nicer than Regent's Park as well.
Look at it. It's awesome.
It's good. We're only complacent about it though because we ride around it so much.
Yeah.
The viewers are just going to have a remedy for that, aren't they? Just stop riding around Richmond Park.
We should ride somewhere else.
We should.
Somewhere hot.
We've
What?
dropped hints like this before, haven't we?
Have we?
Have we? Have we? Don't know. Does it have to be as hot as Kelso though?
Nothing's as hot as Kelso.
Nothing's ever going to be as hot as Kelso.
No, I reckon it will be a 2 on the Kelsometer. I know you guys hate this so much, but yeah, we've had an idea about something that we can't tell you about for later in the year. It involves riding somewhere hot with a dog. Right, got loads of good data. We're riding tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, I really hurt my arm again. I need new gloves as well.
Uh-oh, mine did that.
They have been going 3 years.